Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most exciting and beginner-friendly programming languages, Python. If you want to build apps, games, websites, robots, or work in artificial intelligence, then this video is for you. So let's begin our journey into the world of Python. Python is one of the most popular and easy-to-learn programming languages in the world. It is used everywhere. From websites and games to robots and artificial intelligence, Python is a perfect language for beginners because it is simple, powerful, and extremely flexible. Python uses simple English-like commands, which makes learning coding fun and easy. You don't need to write long, complicated programs. With very few lines of code, you can create amazing things. Python also helps you prepare for future technologies like AI and robotics. With Python, you can bring your ideas to life. You can design your own websites, create exciting video games, build smart programs, and even explore data. It doesn't matter whether your idea is big or small. Python helps you create it easily. Did you know that your favorite apps like Instagram and YouTube use Python? Tech giants like Google and NASA also use Python to solve real-world problems. Even self-driving cars and AI systems use Python to make smart decisions. And yes, ChatGPT itself is powered by Python technologies. Python gives you 4 amazing superpowers. It reads like English, so it's very easy to understand. It helps you create your own games, websites, and apps. It boosts your logical thinking and problem-solving skills. It connects you with a huge global community of learners and developers. Python opens doors to amazing careers. It is one of the most demanding skills in today's world. PP. Companies everywhere are searching for people who know Python. Whether you want to become a software engineer, data scientist, app developer, or AI expert, Python is the perfect starting point. Python allows you to enter exciting fields like artificial intelligence, robotics, data science, cybersecurity, and app development. This means you can build smart machines, protect online systems, study big data, or create your own applications. The possibilities with Python are endless. You are living in a world where technology is growing faster than ever. Learning Python today means preparing yourself for tomorrow's challenges and opportunities. If you want to build games, design websites, explore data, or create intelligent robots, Python is your secret weapon. It's time to stop just playing games and start creating them. Python is an amazing tool that turns your ideas into reality. Every great programmer started with curiosity and a single line of code. And so can you. So let's begin this exciting journey together.